Do this video. What's up, y'all? I just did one. I erased it, deleted it, whatever. I got a mail call and I don't know, a little update, I guess, on this truck. Just got this in the mail a little while ago. Jethro, thank you, Jethro. Appreciate it. And same to you, from me to your channel. A lot of cool rides right there. Appreciate you, brother. I got my wish stuff in, just a couple of old cheap watches, cheaper than the one I got. This is a lot better watch. It's got the date on it, and it's all metal at the bottom, where these things are plastic, except for the back cover is metal. Oh, this has got the glass lens, where these are plastic. So far, they keeping good time on. I don't know why I got on now. I figured this thing wouldn't last long, and not have something else. She just worked down by me. I looked up Time Expedition. I like them, the older ones. She just worked down and get me one of those. Man, I got my knee pads, knee braces, or whatever. I think these are supposed to be copper infused too, but you know, cheap. All my other ones, the ones I'm wearing, are food barred, stretched out. And speaking of food bar, anybody heard out of Benny? COE? I figured maybe Mac or one of you probably heard something wrong. Just wondering about him. And Gary G too, or brother over there in Austria. And hadn't heard or seen anything out of him in quite a while. I hope him and Elise and Chico are alright. At least there's a few we haven't heard nothing out of. I can't think of most of them right off the top of my head. But I got this cab of this Ford painting, but I gotta try to do a little sanding that you can't tell, but you can see it. But there's a little hair, looks like a hair in there. Can't feel it, but it looks like a damn hair. I don't know if I can sand that out or not. Oh well. I think I already showed that. I got that painted too though. But see where I lowered them. I had to cut some of them spring, or well, the overload spring first thing off top of each back one. And cut some of the spring perches off where I can get to sit lower, and same way with the front spring. I can't hold on to nothing. This is, I got another one of them trucks that steak bed, Coca-Cola, same cab and everything. Well, the bed's a little longer. But this is the engine I had built for that steak bed. Same engine, that big block 534 Ford gas engine. I was thinking about using this. I originally was going to put this engine, try to put it in that Ford pickup. It's an AMT kit. Got Firestone on there, S&S Firestone or something, Splash. At the red front end and goes in the white. I was going to try to put that in there, but it's been a lot of work, man. That damn thing, that kit, the frame was warped on it. I think the bed was warped. I had to glue the front of the bed to the back of the cab just so it'd stay on the ring. How am I going to go through all that work for that? But back of the cab for that COE, it would come back right here. I cut out a plate. I was thinking about doing this. Put that, well, one of these engines back here behind the cab. Originally goes up here, right underneath it. But, I made a cross member and stuff to fit that engine back there. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And run duals up and out the back. I had to trim the side of these top of them frame rails too, so I can get that in there. And those gas engines, this is a big Ford engine here too. It's a diesel. Come with it. That's truck J give me. Ford Louisville, I think. One of them, like a bullnose, whatever they call that. But that's what this come out of. And it had two mismatched valve covers on it, and I found these things. Put on there, and then I put one of them Paxton superchargers on this. Well, I still got to run the hose for it. Put a carb on there, or something. Run the hose out of that thing down in the intake. And, oh, no, it goes right here. This for the air intake. Air filter comes off there, out the back of that. And another here. Another thing here goes into the top of the intake. The front of it's got a toy on there that runs off the belt. I can't talk. But I had thought about using it. I can get that fit in there too. Big old diesel, but I don't know. Can't decide which one of them I want to use. I'll probably just go with this. That'd be alright. And I had found, I got 3 of these. Man, they fit right in the tires for that Ford truck. Look at that. It would be cool on there. I should have another one of these somewhere, but I've looked and I can't find it. I think it come with one of them don't, whatever you call them, kits. Or on the lowrider, I don't know. But anybody got an extra one of them, appreciate it, send it to me. So I can't find it. I got 3 of them, and I got these things here, and I don't care for these. These are fitting in truck tires too. I like the looks of them other ones better. Now, these here did come with, I think they come with that Caprice, don't, whatever they call them stupid looking things. seen a damn oh, Challenger. It's sitting over here in the strip club. I guess it belongs to the owner or somebody there, but they got them damn kind of towers on them sitting. It looks stupid as hell. Yeah, big old. Man, that looks stupid on that thing. That's a Challenger. Why some bitches do that? And this got the regular suspension on there. Got that suspension. Stretch it out as far as they go, and that kind of shit's hard on that regular. You need to build special suspension for that kind of shit. That's like them big old 64 Chevys and that kind of thing, old bubble top. They put a little rinky dinky, 13-inch towers on there. I don't care for all that neither. Anyway, let's try to cut this in half. I deleted that one video. It's 23 minutes. Shit. Still working on it. Death dealer. Doing painting on there, and then I got to put dealer together himself. Kind of going back and forth. Damn, feeling bad again. That damn rain's moved in. It raining when I got up this morning. Damn, arms hurt again. It quit hurting for a while, and then come back on hand and arm down this, all the way down this side. I got the gabapentin. That don't help that. It's just for damn nerve pain. Anyway, ease up all here. Alright, y'all. What did I do with my damn thing? Alright, thanks again, Jethro. Appreciate you, brother. And thank each and every one of y'all. And I guess I ought to keep saying this too. Everybody else does. If you like the video, hit a like, the thumbs up, and subscribe and share and all that good stuff. Maybe to get me up. Hell, I ain't even hit 900 yet, don't think. 900 subs. Be 7 years, March 17th. I had thought about if I ain't got up over 1,000 by then, I'm thinking about shutting this channel down. But I don't know. We'll wait and see. I wanted to do it about if I hadn't have 1,000 subs by the first year, I was gonna do it. But now I figure I'll wait till March the 7th anniversary, March 17th. I don't know, we'll wait and see what happens then. I just need to belong to every social media thing out there, I guess, to get a bunch of subs. Hell, I got more followers on TikTok than I do here. I've been on here down there in TikTok. I haven't been on there, but I don't know, year and a half or so. I get more and more by the minute. I got several videos on there, and they ain't very long. It won't let me make a very long video, just a couple minutes if that. Anyway, I'm blabbing on. See y'all. See you, bye.